Hi there, this is Penelope and this is a short video on Simpson's rule. This is the second video on Simpson's rule. This one covers the exam question from trimester 1, 2018. So all we've got here is a diagram that's, I don't know why that little picture there is. Don't know why that little picture's there, but anyway, what it's talking about is it's a vertical side of a cliff, and it's got various measurements, and what they're asking for is to find the vertical area. So we're looking at finding this area of this face here, between here and there. Now you know that the area you can find using the formula for integration, and it's just the area is the integral of the function. But in this case there is no function, and that's the whole point of using Simpson's rule, is that we can then approximate the area. Now you've been told that the gap between the readings is 10, so you can set up a table of your x's and your y's, and your x's will be 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60, and then put in the appropriate measurements. So it would be 5.2, 10.2, 16.9, 15.8, 9.1, 8.1 and 9.3. Now you're given the area, so you're given the formula, so the area is going to be the integral between 0 and 60. That's how it would be if you knew the function. We don't, so we're going to approximate it using Simpson's rule, which will say it's a third of the distance between them, and it'll be the sum of the first and the last reading, and then 4 times the sum of the, either, depending on how you look at it, either if this is x0 and this is x1, then it's either 4 times the odd readings, or if this is x1 and this is x2, then it's 4 times the even readings. Just depends on how you want to do it. It's all the same. So 4 times 10.2 plus 15.8 plus the next one, which is 8.1, plus 2 times the remaining ones, which would be 16.9 plus 9.1. Very, very, very simple. And just note it says express your answer to the nearest square metre. So put that through your calculator and you get that the answer is 676 approximately square metres, at least to the nearest square metre.